Hello, Paula Daniele from Crochet Hook here, and this is my Camo Crochet Afghan square that I'll show you how to make today. And this yarn is Red Heart Super Saver Camo, and it's pink camo. That's the colour. It's a medium worsted weight yarn, category 4. You can purchase this yarn through the link below in the description box. Now with this yarn we'll be using a 5mm hook, and this is a Clover Soft Touch hook which you can also purchase through the link below. And you'll need some craft scissors and a yarn needle. This is an easy skill level pattern, and this square that I'm making, it measures approximately 5 by 5 inches or 12 by 12 centimeters. So to get started, you'll need to chain on 6 chain stitches, and then we'll join into the first chain stitch to form a ring. Now we'll be working over this yarn tail as we go around the ring. So for round 1, we'll chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we'll be doing 1 double crochet into the ring. Now we'll chain 2, 1, 2, and then 2 double crochet into the ring. There's our first double crochet, and there's our second double crochet. So chain 2 and 2 double crochet into the ring will be our sequence for right around, and we're going to be doing that 7 times. So we've done it once already. So chain 2, and 2 double crochet into the ring. So that's the second part of our sequence. So 1, 2 chain stitches and 2 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, chain 2, 1, 2, and 2 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, and you'll need to push your work around to fit everything in. So here we've done 1, 2, 3, 4 sequences, so we'll keep going. 1, 2 chain stitches and 2 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2. We'll just get some more yarn. So 2 double crochet, 2 chain stitches and 2 double crochet into the ring. So 1, 2, Now at the end of the round we want to have 16 double crochet stitches, and that includes this chain 3 as well as one stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we need to do one more sequence. So chain 2 and 2 double crochet into the ring. There's 1, 2, and now we'll chain 2, 1, 2, and join into the top of this chain 3 here. 1, 2, 3. We'll make a slip stitch into both loops. Just get a close up here. Both loops of that chain stitch. And make a slip stitch. So that's the end of round 1, and we'll have 16 double crochet stitches around. At this point you can just pull on your yarn tail, the centre yarn tail, to tighten the centre if you like, but we'll be using a yarn needle to weave that in around later on. Now for round 2, we'll be doing a slip stitch into this double crochet. So into the next double crochet, make a slip stitch, and then a slip stitch into the chain 2 space here. And now we'll chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to be doing 3 double crochet stitches into this chain 2 space. That's 1 double crochet, 2, 3. So the 3 double crochet and the chain 3 counts as 4 stitches there. Now we'll be doing 4 double crochet into the next chain 2 space here. One double crochet, two double crochet, three double crochet, and our 4th into that chain 2 space. Now we'll chain 3 because we're going to create a corner. 1, 2, 3. Now in the next space here we'll do 4 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, now you can start to see the corner there. Into the next chain 2 space here we'll be doing 4 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet stitches done in that chain 2 space. Now we're going to chain 3 and we're creating another corner. 1, 2, 3 chain stitches, and we'll be doing 4 double crochet into the next chain 2 space. One, 2, 3, 4, and into the next chain 2 space, 4 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what it's looking like so far. Now we'll chain 3 to create another corner. 1, 2, 3 chain stitches, and into this next chain 2 space here, 4 double crochet stitches into that chain 2 space. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now into this next chain 2 space, 4 double crochet stitches into that space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we can chain 3, 1, 2, 3 to create another corner, and we're going to join into the top of this chain 3. So there's 1, 2, 3, and I'm going into both loops of that third chain stitch. Those 2 loops on top of the stitch just gives it a neater look for this square. And make a slip stitch. So that's the end of round 2, and that's what it looks like. And at the end of this round you should have 32 double crochet stitches. For round 3, we'll chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chain stitches. Then we're going to do 1 double crochet into each of these next 7 stitches. So 1 into each. So here's our first double crochet, Now I'll just show you here, that chain counts as one double crochet, so don't crochet in there, crochet into the next there. There's one, into the next, another double crochet, there's two, into the next stitch, one double crochet, 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 and into the next stitch, one double crochet. So there we've created 7 double crochet stitches, and the chain 3 counts as one double crochet, so we've really got 8 there now. Okay, so now we'll do 2 double crochet into this corner space. So 1, 2, and then we'll chain 3, 1, 2, 3 to create the corner, and then back into this same space 2 double crochet stitches. So there's 1, 2. Now for these next 8 stitches we'll do 1 double crochet into each. There's 1, into the next one, 1 double crochet, into the next stitch, 1 double crochet, into the next stitch, 1 double crochet, into the next stitch, 1 double crochet, into the next, 1 double crochet, into the next, 1 double crochet stitch, and into the next 1 double crochet. Now we're up to our corner space, and we'll do 2 double crochet stitches into the corner space. So there's 1 and 2. Now we'll chain 3 to create the corner, 1, 2, 3, and we'll do 2 double crochet into that same space there. And that completes the corner. 1, 2. Now for these next 8 double crochet stitches, once again it'll be 1 double crochet into each stitch. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're up to our next corner, and we do 2 double crochet into the space. There's 1, 2 double crochet, and then chain 3, 1, oops, 2, 3, and that creates the corner, and then 2 double crochet back into that same corner space. 1, 2. Now into these next 8 stitches here, 1 double crochet into each. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're up to our corner space, so 2 double crochet stitches into that space. There's 1, there's 2, and then we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 more double crochet stitches into that space. 1, 2, and then we join into both loops of the chain 3 here at the end, and just make a slip stitch in through both of those loops of that chain at the top of the chain. So I'm just making a slip stitch here, and that's the end of round 3. At the end of this round you should have 48 double crochet stitches around. For round 4, chain 1, and into the same space here where we joined and where the chain 1 is, we're going to do a single crochet stitch. And now we just simply do 1 single crochet into each stitch along. This is our last round. We're just making an edge, a nice neat edge. So 1 single crochet into each of these stitches. Now when you get up to the corner, and every corner, you'll do 3 single crochet stitches into the corner space. And that's all there is to this round 4. So I'm up towards the end of this round, and I've just done 3 single crochet stitches into the last corner there, and then we've still got 2 stitches left here, so just do a single crochet into each of those, and then we'll join into the top of this first single crochet stitch with a slip stitch. And now we can finish off, so leave enough of a tail to weave into your work, cut your yarn and finish off. Now to weave in yarn tails, I just pull that one tight and thread that through your yarn needle, and then just work the tail in around the circle, and then with this yarn tail you can just thread it down through the next stitch here in the middle there, and then down, and then behind these stitches here. So that's how you make my Camo Crochet Afghan square.